Alright, so in this video we're gonna create a function to be able to basically toggle the likes on a post. So we're gonna pass in an ID here, and then we're gonna toggle likes, return total likers to the people that's liked the post, and then we're gonna create a function here that we're gonna call get likes from a post, and that will actually be all for this video. So what we're gonna do in the next video is we're gonna be able to create routes for these two get functions, so where we're gonna be able to pass in data there. So what we're gonna be able to do here is we're just gonna return total likes and total likers from post, so we can see who has liked it and the total amount. And then down here we can go in and basically create these two functions, which is what we need to basically create the like controller. So that's all for this video. Hit the like button if you liked the video, click the subscribe button if you want to continue seeing videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.